It's a 2016 Chevrolet Colorado. As refined as it is rugged, this truck is ready for the job site, campsite, or city lights. It comes with all the amenities you need: external memory control, remote engine start, front heated bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and Wi-Fi hotspot. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. See what it can do when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.